The rotator cuff is made up of mainly three muscles that rotate your shoulder, that rotate it internally and externally and allow you to pick it up over your head. That's reinforced by the deltoid muscle, which is the large muscle that covers your shoulder, but it's the rotator cuff that initiates that motion. That's located between the humeral head and the top of the shoulder blade, which is called the acromion, and because it's in that position, it can get pinched or torn over time. If you have a torn rotator cuff, the muscles pull the tendon away from the bone, and the only way to repair it is to physically put the tendon back to where it was attached. So we do that arthroscopically, where we make 3 or 4 little 1/4-inch incisions. You clean up any spurs that may have caused the rotator cuff tear. You scuff up the bone to get it to bleed, and then you reattach the tendon to the bone with anchors and suture. The smaller tears heal quicker and are safer to move quicker. The larger tears, you have to be more cautious and take things very slow so that you don't re-tear the repair.